Hello everyone, Jared is back with another super cool video. So today, I'm gonna be unboxing this very cool package. You see? You might be wondering what is it actually, but I already know. This is a toy car. So you remember my previous video when I got called while playing Crunker? I actually made an appointment to buy this toy car with my friend. Alright, so to feed your curiosity, let's open this very awesome package. Alright. Wow! This is a toy car, wow. Yeah, this is the toy car that I bought. So this is Subaru Forester. And this is Toyota Foxy. Actually, this one is not really cool. But look at its door, man. Look. It can be scrolled. And I even see some wounds on the toy for some reason. Maybe the man who sent this package threw this package to my house, because this toy just arrived when I was not home. But I don't know what to do. I don't even know how to cure wounds and toys, so I'll just be grateful with the toy. Alright, thanks for watching and see you on my next video. Goodbye!